Meaning of enchantment.
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 Enchantment. Enchantment refers to a feeling of great pleasure and charm, often brought about by something magical or captivating. When one is enchanted, they experience a sense of heightened emotion and wonder, as if they have been transported to another world. This can be triggered by a person, place, object, or even an idea that is particularly alluring or fascinating. The result of enchantment is a state of being captivated and spellbound, experiencing a type of joy and happiness that is difficult to express in words.